Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to explain why you should add alerts to both your checking and credit card accounts. You just got to get started. So as I lose daylight, welcome to my channel. I'm Harlan D. White, where we're focused on debt elimination and financial education. I'm also currently in the process of eliminating almost $50,000 in debt, a little over halfway there. And so each week I provide information around a variety of personal finance topics that I'm either learning or implementing along the way. All right, so today I want to talk about the importance of setting up alerts on both your checking and credit card account. Now, this is something that I started doing earlier this year, right around the same time I started my debt-free journey, where I decided to set up alerts for any time a transaction hit either my checking or credit card account. Now, I did this for two primary reasons. Number one isn't just in case of fraud. If I see any transactions that hit my account that I know that I did not charge, that way I'm notified immediately and I can address the situation right then and there. But secondly, and more importantly, the reason why I set up these alerts is because I decided that I was going to set up auto payments for all of my monthly transactions, things like my cell phone bill, all the different monthly subscriptions that I have coming out, utilities, things like that. This way, I'm notified exactly when they come out of my account and I can input it into my budget. Now, I know a lot of budgeting software today automatically imports your transactions into whatever the budgeting software tool that you're using, but I personally still prefer to do it manually because one of my biggest pet peeves around that is I hate the delay between when I make the transaction and when it updates into the software. So instead, I like to use the alerts. And so that way, whenever I am alerted that a charge went against any of my accounts, I can go ahead and input it into my budgeting tool. Additionally, if I go to the store, if I'm eating out and I don't automatically input the transaction to my budgeting tool, when I get home and I look to start scrolling on social media, wherever it is, I'll see those transactions on my phone, and then I'll go ahead and input those transactions into my budget at that point in time. So for me this year, I think adding those alerts has been very helpful. Definitely in the comments below, let me know whether or not you add alerts for each time that you make transactions. And until next time.